transforming a lawn into a wildflower meadow or meadow-style garden. Transforming a traditional lawn into a wildflower meadow is a sustainable, visually striking, and ecologically beneficial approach to gardening. Meadows support biodiversity, reduce maintenance, improve soil health, and provide habitat for pollinators, birds, and other wildlife. In this video, we will guide you step by step through converting a lawn into a thriving wildflower meadow, from planning and soil preparation to planting and ongoing management. The first step is assessing your space and goals. Determine the size of the area you want to convert and observe sunlight, soil type, and drainage. Most wildflowers thrive in full to partial sun, although some species tolerate shade. Understanding your soil conditions, whether clay, sandy, or loamy, helps select species that will thrive naturally. Consider whether you want a formal meadow, a naturalized area with a mix of flowers and grasses, or a structured meadow with defined paths and borders. This planning stage ensures a meadow that suits both ecological needs and aesthetic preferences. Next, choose the right wildflower seeds. Native species are ideal, as they are adapted to local conditions and provide food for pollinators and wildlife. Select a mix that includes both annuals, which provide quick color and coverage, and perennials, which return year after year and build a long-term meadow. Including a diversity of species ensures continuous flowering throughout the season, attracts a variety of pollinators, and reduces the risk of disease. Consider grasses such as fescues or meadow foxtail as structural components that complement flowering plants. Soil preparation is a crucial step for establishing a successful meadow. If converting an existing lawn, remove the grass and weeds first. This can be done mechanically with a sod cutter, by solarization with clear plastic to kill vegetation using sunlight, or by covering the area with layers of cardboard or newspaper to suppress growth. Avoid adding nutrient-rich soil, as wildflowers generally thrive in low fertility conditions, and overly fertile soil encourages grass and weed dominance. Lightly rake the soil surface to create a firm seed bed with good contact for seeds. Sowing seeds is the next stage. Mix seeds with a small amount of dry sand or fine soil to make distribution more even. Scatter seeds evenly across the prepared area, either by hand or using a broadcast spreader for larger plots. After sowing, lightly rake the surface to ensure seeds make contact with the soil, and press gently with a roller or flat board to avoid burying seeds too deeply. Water lightly and consistently during the initial weeks to encourage germination, taking care not to wash seeds away. After planting, initial care focuses on watering and weed management. During germination and early growth, keep the soil consistently moist, but avoid waterlogging. Once seedlings are established, reduce watering to encourage deep root growth. Weeds may compete with young wildflowers in the first year, so manual removal or selective mowing may be necessary. Regular monitoring prevents aggressive weeds from outcompeting desirable species, and patience is key as wildflowers establish gradually over several seasons. Meadow maintenance differs from traditional lawn care. Mowing is usually required only once or twice a year, typically in late summer or early autumn, to prevent woody plants from dominating and to encourage flowering. Cuttings should be removed to prevent nutrient buildup, which favors grasses over flowers. Some areas may benefit from rotational mowing to create microhabitats, leaving unmown patches for wildlife while maintaining overall structure. This minimal maintenance approach is a key advantage over traditional lawns, saving time, energy, and resources. Encouraging biodiversity enhances meadow resilience and ecological value. Include plants with varying heights, flowering times, and structures to support insects, birds, and small mammals. Species that produce seeds and berries provide food for wildlife throughout the year. Incorporate flowering herbs and native grasses, which offer shelter and breeding sites. Diversity reduces vulnerability to pests, disease, and adverse weather, and creates a meadow that is both visually dynamic and ecologically functional. Pollinator support is a major benefit of wildflower meadows. Bees, butterflies, hoverflies, and other insects thrive in environments with continuous blooms and varied flower shapes. Group species with complementary bloom times to maintain nectar and pollen availability. Include flowers with accessible nectar for short-tongued insects and tubular flowers for long-tongued pollinators. By supporting pollinators, your meadow contributes directly to local biodiversity and improves the productivity of nearby fruit and vegetable gardens. Incorporating paths, borders, and focal points enhances usability and aesthetics. Pathways allow access for observation, maintenance, and enjoyment without trampling plants. Borders can define the meadow while blending with surrounding landscape features. Consider naturalistic elements such as rocks, logs, or seating areas to create a sense of immersion. While wildflowers may appear informal, thoughtful design ensures accessibility and visual harmony, making the meadow both functional and beautiful. Seasonal observation and adaptive management are essential. Monitor plant growth, flowering patterns, and wildlife activity to assess meadow health. Some species may need reseeding in early years if germination is uneven. Introduce additional native plants if diversity is low. Remove invasive or aggressive weeds to maintain balance. Over time, the meadow will establish a self-sustaining system, requiring less intervention and rewarding gardeners with a vibrant, dynamic landscape. To summarize, transforming a lawn into a wildflower meadow involves planning, seed selection, soil preparation, sowing, and careful initial care. Use native species for biodiversity, prepare soil without over-fertilizing, sow seeds evenly, and maintain with minimal mowing and monitoring. Encourage diversity, provide habitats for pollinators and wildlife, and design pathways and features for usability and aesthetics. Meadows offer a sustainable, low-maintenance, and ecologically rich alternative to traditional lawns. Wildflower meadows provide environmental benefits, including supporting pollinators, reducing water and fertilizer use, preventing soil erosion, and enhancing biodiversity. They also create a unique visual landscape that changes with the seasons, attracting wildlife and providing educational and recreational opportunities. Over time, the meadow will mature into a resilient ecosystem that requires less input while offering maximum ecological and aesthetic rewards. By following these steps, gardeners can replace conventional lawns with a productive, beautiful, and wildlife-friendly meadow. This approach aligns with sustainable gardening principles, fosters biodiversity, and creates a living space that benefits both people and nature. A well-established meadow is a lasting investment in the environment, combining beauty, function, and ecological responsibility. Transforming a lawn into a wildflower meadow demonstrates that gardening can be practical, sustainable, and visually stunning.